Hello friends and welcome to Lot of Tech once again, and today's video will be about unboxing of OnePlus 5T and my initial impressions about the phone. And there were quite a few things that I noticed were very surprising to me in this unboxing, which I'm going to share with you. And before moving ahead, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. With that being said, let's get into the video. So the retail unit that is supplied in India comes in this kind of a white box, and on top of it you have you are seeing that it's written 5, but it's actually a 5T, and you have it's not written 5T on the top, but it is written onto your right side of the box. And you might have seen some big black boxes in many YouTube videos, so those are the sponsored units or the review units that comes supplied with many more cases. So I ordered this phone from Amazon, and this was the initial cardboard box that came. Apart from that, the phone was wrapped in this kind of a plastic, which I have already removed. So as you can see that OnePlus 5T is written on right side of the box. And apart from that, the second surprising thing about this unboxing is that the phone does not have any kind of a seal onto its sides. The third important thing that I noticed was there isn't any kind of a specifications written anywhere on the box. On the back it just says it's a midnight black color and a 64 GB variant that I have in front of you. So these are quite a few surprising things that I noticed. And as soon as you open the box, you will see that you have your OnePlus 5T right in front of you. And the surprising thing is that it does not have any kind of a plastic wrap around it. So you can just simply lift up your phone from the bottom. And now let me just show you first of all what's inside the box. So when you will open the box, you have your charger, the white color dash charger, and a normal USB to USB Type-C data cable. So first of all, let me talk about the charger. So it's a 5 volt 4 ampere charger, a very big in size. And to give you an idea about the size comparison, so here I have my Moto Z Place charger, and if I keep it side to side with the OnePlus 5T's charger, so you can see that the dash charger is really a very big in size as compared to Moto Z Play. If I talk about the data cable, then you have this very good quality data cable supplied with the box. Not too many people have talked about it, but let me tell you that it's a lovely color combination, as you can see. Apart from that, the company has been very particular about the small things, as you can see that even they have covered the Type-C port with this kind of a soft rubber cap. So this actually gives you a very premium feeling about the smartphone that you are using. Apart from charger and data cable, if you will open the box that is there inside, then you will see this kind of a soft TPU case that has been supplied with the phone, and some user manuals and a SIM ejector tool. Something good about the TPU case is that it's not completely transparent, it's grayish in color. So it will eliminate the problem of the transparent TPU cases getting yellow with time. So you can use this gray color TPU case for a longer time. So now let me just quickly power on the device, and on top you have this OnePlus logo coming up, and at the bottom it's written powered by Android. So let me just quickly set up the phone and get back to you. So this is the initial home screen that you get after powering on your device, and before moving ahead, let me just give you a physical overview. So on the right you have your SIM tray. It's a dual SIM phone, but you don't get the option to expand your storage, and below that you have your power on button. At the back you have your fingerprint sensor and a 16 megapixel and a 20 megapixel camera, and on the left top you have your do not disturb or the silent toggle switch, and below that you have your volume rocker. Apart from that, the phone is really very lightweight, and at the bottom you have been given your headphone jack and your speaker grills. If I talk about the fingerprint sensor, then this is one of the fastest fingerprint sensor on any smartphone till date. According to the company, it only takes 0.2 seconds for the phone to unlock, and as you can see that you need not just press your finger against the sensor. You just need to gently touch it, and it will straight away unlock the phone. So a very good fingerprint reader from the OnePlus. If I talk about the software part, then the phone is really very fast. It does not have any kind of a lags or something, and there isn't any kind of a bloatware from OnePlus. The phone is running on Snapdragon 835 and 6 GB of RAM, and if I go into the settings, then it's running on Android OS 7.1.1 and Oxygen OS version 4.7.6. If you are buying this phone in 2018, then as soon as you take it out of the box and power up the phone, your phone is going to upgrade to a new Oxygen OS version automatically. So let me now just give you an idea about the size comparison. So I'll compare this OnePlus 5T with my Moto Z Play, and if I keep it side to side, then you will see that there isn't any major difference in size in both the smartphones. But the OnePlus 5T is slightly lesser in width and thickness as compared to Moto Z Play, and it's very comfortable to hold because it's lightweight, and the back of the OnePlus 5T is a little bit curved, so you don't have really that bulky feeling that you get in Moto Z. If I talk about the display, then it's an OPTIC AMOLED Full HD display with 18:9 body ratio, and on top of that you have Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And the phone is really very modern looking. It's similar to Samsung Galaxy Edge or the Samsung Galaxy Note series. And as it's an AMOLED display, so you can clearly see that the blacks are exactly the black or the pitch black, and the display is really very crisp and clear. If I talk about the camera, then it's a 16 megapixel and a 20 megapixel rear camera, both having aperture of 1.7. And if you open the camera interface, it's really very simple. You have the video, photo and the portrait mode. And when I click the pics, I felt that there isn't any kind of a shutter lag. The camera is really very fast and the photos comes out to be very crisp and smooth. Although this is not a very detailed camera overview, I'll be covering this in a lot of detail. But overall, I felt that it's a good camera, and here are some few sample shots that I took with OnePlus 5T. So now I would like to talk something about the face unlock. So if you go into the security and lock screen section, there you will find your face unlock. So first of all, let me just quickly set it up in front of you. So now as you can see that setting up the face unlock on OnePlus 5T is really very simple, and it's really very fast. And now it's the time to test out how this face unlock actually works. So you just need to first of all, let me just lock my phone, and as you can see, all my fingers are on the sides, and you may not even realize that the phone is performing this action, because as soon as you press the lock button, your screen is unlocked. So it's really very fast. But to give you an idea how fast it works, let me just twist the phone in some other direction, and now I will just press this lock button and move the phone towards my face. Okay, here it is. So now you see that I'm not using my fingerprint sensor at all. All my fingers are on the sides of the phone, and the phone is actually unlocking by recognizing my face. And this feature is really very fast and very cool on OnePlus 5T. So friends, this was all about the video, and this is not really a complete overview. A lot of more videos would be coming up on OnePlus 5T in near future. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like my video. Thank you so much for watching. Lot of Tech.